your next tab is dealing with a rhombus. Now, there were some facts or some parts to the rhombus that I need you to identify. And if you see, like, the formula chart on the formula chart for the area of a rhombus is 1/2, and then it says D1, D2. All right, so what you need to understand is what those parts represent. Well, if I go from one corner to the other corner, that represents a diagonal. I'm going to go ahead and put that diagonal in blue. I can go ahead. Now, if I do the same thing for the other corners, yep, you have another diagonal, okay? That diagonal is in red. Now, what I'm going to do is kind of just relabel this because you can see a little bit better. But what we have, that when I talk about the diagonal, I'm talking about the whole segment. So I'm just going to draw an arrow here. This could be our D1. What's in blue is the D1. And then what I have in red can be our D2. They can be interchangeable, but you have a long one and a short one when dealing with a rhombus and with a kite. The property that you need to remember, and I would add this to your notes, I'm going to put a little star here because this is important, is that the diagonals in a rhombus, only for a rhombus, bisect each other. And they bisect each other. So that means that my short diagonal, the red one, gets cut in half. So I'll just put tick mark to show it's being bisected. And my long diagonal, my blue one, it also gets cut in half. And so when I take my formula, I might not get the whole diagonal. I might just get the part. So you have to do some addition to get the whole, because you're going to use the whole. Now, instead of doing 1/2 D1 D2 times D2, I could say diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2, okay? So if we truly understand this relationship, the first thing I asked of the class, and I'm going to ask you again, is let's start with, and I'll put it in red to keep with our association. Let's start with our short diagonal. What is the length of the short diagonal? If you said 20, you're absolutely correct, okay? Remember, they get bisected, so that means that this little piece is 10 as well. So our long diagonal, that's our 2, so here's our 1. Our long diagonal would be 28, okay? So if I'm going to get the area of this rhombus, I'm going to take the diagonal, so that's 20 times 28, and then divide by 2. Well, if I do my multiplication for division, because it comes first, it's on top. This will give me 560 divided by 2. The area of this rhombus is 280. I didn't give us some units. They didn't say centimeters or inches. We're just going to put a U to show unit square. So there is our tab for our rhombus.